YouTube is the second biggest search engine on the planet. Did you know that? Of course, first one is Google, but YouTube is more than just the second biggest search engine on the planet. It is the biggest learning platform globally. You know, on YouTube channel, just like a classroom, you can have a video that you can watch before you go to sleep in your routine, and a video that you can watch when you wake up in the morning. You can really reprogram yourself, learn an educational course, program, or associate degree through YouTube. You can study psychology through YouTube. You can study anything that you want through a YouTube channel. And I wanted to tell you that you have come across one of the greatest and newest and fastest growing YouTube channels globally right now. Welcome to the Ministry of Miracles. I'm Arif Gilany, the author of the Ministry of Miracles. We're going to make the entire book in 5-minute segments available for you, so each day you can learn something new. So this is going to take some time, and just like anything else, growth takes time. Friends, we live in a fast-moving world. I want you to slow down. I want you to think for a moment about your future. How was the last 5 years of your life? Would you like to make some changes for the next 5? Are you so tangled up in your day-to-day challenges that you cannot think that far? Did you know that 95% of all self-made entrepreneurs, achievers, millionaires around the world are people who manage their time better? You know, the rich people don't just become rich and change. They just manage their time better than anybody else. So through a series of videos, I'm going to educate you on the value of managing your time, managing your thought process. You know, today I had the pleasure of spending some time with my son, and I was telling him his aunt might come and visit him. And his mother said, wow, as she aged, Gola looks more beautiful. And I said, because she thinks more beautiful now. All of your challenges source from your thoughts. When you change your thinking, you change your world. You know, one of the mentors said, when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. What does this mean? I want to help you view the world from a different point of view. After 25 years of experience in world travel, I have probably met more people in person than many people around the world. On the stages from North Iraq to USA to London, just to get a message out that you can be more, can do more, can have more, and can give more. You are not just here by an accident. We are made in the image of the Maker, the Creator, the higher power, or what I call the infinite intelligence. If you are created in that image, and there are ways that you can cultivate your own potential to find out why you are really here, and we have the ways and means of teaching you all of this knowledge, wouldn't it be a great idea just to subscribe, just to follow? For 90 days, you don't lose anything. As a matter of fact, if you like a one-on-one in-person coaching, we also have team meetings every Sunday at 1 p.m. We're interviewing the top achievers of the world, because every person has a unique perspective and you can learn from every one of them. I learn so much from all of my friends and people that I associate with on a daily basis. Friends, this is not a practice run. This is the real thing. This is life. And each day is a blessing. If you have a philosophy to live by, the philosophy that I'm introducing through these video series and through my book has been used for thousands of years, for 1,000 years, as a matter of fact. 1095, there was a very wise man in Baghdad, and he devoted his life to finding a philosophy, not just religious philosophy, but a philosophy to live by, where people of all nations, colors, and creeds can live in peace and harmony and prosper together. That's what we want to do through this channel. Thanks for subscribing. I look forward to seeing you on the first chapter of the Ministry of Miracles, where you find your why. Everything starts with why. Thank you.